Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we will install Blender on Microsoft Windows 10. There's also a version for Mac users in case you want to install it on macOS. Let's start. First open up Edge, Internet Explorer, Chrome or any browser you like to use. Then in the address bar type blender.org. Blender.org. Hit enter and Blender's homepage shows up. There's a download Blender version 2.82a button, the latest version during the recording of this video, and there's also a download button on top in the menu. Click on the last one and this brings us to the Blender download page. Here again we have a download Blender 2.82a version. You could have a different version because again, I repeat, this is the latest version during the recording of this video. You can also select other versions like macOS, Linux or beta versions. But because the page knows which operating system you are using, that's the Windows version, you can just click on Download Blender and this brings us to a thank you page. You are breathtaking. And down here we'll see a button and it says, what do you want to do with Blender? Well, we want to install it, so hit Run. Then the installer window will pop up. Then we click Next. We read and accept the terms. Then we click Next. Here we see what is being installed, Blender and its libraries. That's okay, click Next. Click Install to begin installation. Yes, that's what you want to do, so let's click Next. It starts installing. If you have a virus scanner installed, there might be a window in between that asks if you really want to install this. And because we trust Blender, you can click Yes. In the meantime, we've completed the Blender setup wizard, so we are finished. Click Finish. Now close Edge or any other browser you use. Now open up your File Explorer and go to this PC, then your hard drive, mostly C, then go to Program Files, Blender Foundation, and there's your Blender application folder. This is 2.82, could be another version again. So open that folder. And now click and drag the blender.exe. Then hold your Alt key and it'll make a shortcut on your desktop. Then you can also drag the Blender application to your taskbar for easy access. Now let's close the File Explorer. Let's give this shortcut a better place. Nicely snug in the corner. Then click on the Blender icon in your taskbar to open up Blender. And there's Blender. In the splash screen here you can see the version you have. And that's all. Blender is now installed on your PC. That's it for this lecture. I'll see you in the next. Bye bye.